Services Central provides you with hassle-free service plans and warranty management with coverage notification and online quote requests. This video will show you how to view your current coverage and request a service plan quote in Services Central for the instruments and equipment that you have added to the platform. Go to thermofisher.com/servicescentral/login and sign into your account or create an account. To view your instruments coverage, navigate to the Instruments page. There you can see the coverage status for each of your instruments or equipment, which include under contract, expiring soon, or coverage expired. When your instrument warranty coverage or service plan is 90 days from its expiration date, Services Central will notify you in the platform. To see the details, click on an instrument. There, you can see the contract number, coverage start and end date, as well as what is included in your current plan. From there, if you don't have a service plan or would like to renew your service plan, use the Request Quote button or the white Request Services Quote button on the top of the page to easily request a quote. After clicking on the Request Services Quote button, fill out the fields in the form that aren't already pre-filled and select the instruments or equipment that you want covered if not selected already, and then click Request Quote. After your request has been submitted, a Thermo Fisher scientific representative will contact you with your personalized quote shortly.